Waking up with a rock digging into your spine is the ultimate way to ruin a perfectly good camping trip. You know that feeling when you are exhausted from a long day of hiking and just want a soft place to land? But instead, you are stuck huffing and puffing into a plastic valve until your head spins and you feel faint. That is where the Coziya Inflatable Mattress tries to step in as a hero for outdoor enthusiasts. It is not just a flat pad for sleeping on the ground. It actually doubles as a lounger and a couch. This level of versatility is pretty rare for gear that is supposed to be lightweight and portable. The most interesting part of the design is the built-in foot pump. You do not need to pack extra batteries. You do not need to carry a heavy external pump or a bunch of tangled cords. You just use your foot to press down on the internal foam pump. The manufacturer claims it is ready to go in about 30 seconds. That is a bold promise for something that packs down to roughly the size of a large water bottle. It weighs just under a kilogram. That is light enough that you will barely notice it in your backpack while you're climbing a trail. The construction sounds sturdy on paper. They use a tough polyester fabric with a double-layer internal structure to prevent leaks. They also claim it is fully waterproof. It even has an insulation rating of 4. That means it should keep you relatively warm when the ground starts to get chilly at night. A rating of 4 suggests this could handle some colder nights without leaving you shivering. It is rated to hold up to 250 kilograms. That is a lot of weight for a portable air mattress. You can even clip multiple pads together using the side clips. This is great if you are traveling with a partner or just want a massive sleeping area for yourself. I looked into the brand credibility and found they are listed on major retail sites like Amazon. That is always a good sign for shoppers. It gives you a way to compare prices and see what real buyers are saying in the comments. The reviews are quite a mix of opinions though. On one hand, people love how fast it inflates without any tools. They talk about using it at the beach or even for extra guests at home. The built-in pillow is a nice touch too. It saves you from having to pack a separate one in your luggage. But it is not all perfect. Some people have complained about the colors not matching the photos online. Others had a hard time getting a quick response from customer support when they had questions. There are also some questions about the sourcing and where these are actually manufactured. People want more transparency these days. They want to know exactly what they are buying and where it comes from. If you are a hardcore mountaineer, you might want to double-check those durability claims yourself. But for a casual beach day or a weekend camping trip, it looks like a solid contender. Just make sure you look at the return policy before you buy. It is always better to be safe when it comes to your sleep. A bad night in the woods feels like a week of torture. This mattress seems to hit the sweet spot of convenience and comfort. It simplifies the setup process immensely. No more dizzy spells from blowing up airbeds by mouth. Just a quick stomp and you are done. That alone makes it worth a look for anyone tired of traditional gear.